Dialogue 1.
Hello.
Hi there.
How's your day going?
It's going pretty well, thanks. And yours?
I'm doing all right, thanks for asking. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Are you from the UK?
No, I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from California.
Oh, that's cool. I've always wanted to visit there.
It's a great place. Nice to meet you, by the way.
Nice to meet you too.
Dialogue 2.
Hi, Emily. It's nice to meet you.
Hello, John. I am happy to meet you too.
How was your day?
My day was good, thank you. How about yours?
My day was fine. I was a bit nervous about tonight.
Me too. I don't go on dates often.
What do you like to do for fun?
I like reading and walking in the park. What about you?
I enjoy watching movies and playing basketball.
That's interesting. What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King. Have you seen it?
Yes, I have. It's a great movie. I like the music.
I agree. The music is really good.
Do you like Italian food?
Yes, I love Italian food. Do you?
Yes, it's my favorite. The pasta is delicious.
Would you like to go to an Italian restaurant next time?
Yes, that sounds wonderful.
Great. I know a good place.
I look forward to it. Thank you for tonight.
Thank you too. I had a good time.
Me too. Good night, John.
Good night, Emily. See you soon.
Dialogue 3.
Hi Eric, nice to meet you. How are you?
Hi Stephen, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm fine, thanks. This is a nice cafe. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love coffee. What about you?
Yes, I do. I also like tea. What do you study at university?
I study biology. I love nature and animals. What do you do?
I work in a bookstore. I love reading and music.
That's interesting. What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy reading mystery novels. Do you like reading?
Yes, I do. But I also love cooking. Do you cook?
Not much, but I would like to learn. What's your favorite dish to cook?
I love making pasta. It's simple and delicious. Would you like to try it sometime?
Yes, would love to. Maybe you can teach me how to cook it.
Sure, that would be fun. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I play the guitar. Do you like music?
Yes, I do. I like listening to music when I go hiking.
Hiking sounds exciting. I have never tried it.
Maybe we can go hiking together one day.
That sounds great. It's nice talking with you, Eric.
Likewise, Stephen. Let's meet again soon.
Dialogue 4.
Hello.
Hi there.
How's it going?
Pretty well, thanks. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks for asking. Do you speak English?
Yes, I do. Are you from the United States?
I am. I'm from California.
Oh, that's wonderful. I've always wanted to visit California.
It's a great place. Where are you from?
I'm from London.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I love meeting people from different parts of the world.